Okay, so we're making homemade stuffing here that I've made from scratch with all kinds of good spices and all that good stuff. Garlic and rosemary and sage and some carrots and onions, breadcrumbs, chicken stock. Pour a little bit more of the mixture there. We got corn, we got mashed potatoes coming. We've got homemade cranberry sauce from cranberries that I made. And then in here we have a nice turkey. It's just about done. So we got this local turkey from Essagees in Costa Market, and after we eat it, we'll let you know how it was, because I have no idea. We don't really know, but we'll see how it goes. Hopefully it'll be good. Take the tent off. Homemade stuffing. Wasim, come here.
Wasim, Blaring.
Try it.
Zabardast.
We're gonna make some homemade gravy. These are all turkey juices and a little bit of olive oil that I had put on the bird. Okay, firstly, homemade stuffing made from scratch by Mr. Todd. And homemade mashed potatoes.
Lovely,
Nice.
God. I never knew you can be such a good cook as well.
Yes.
Let's move this over here because I got other big stuff coming. And here's all your forks and knives. Sweet buttered corn, made homemade and grown on the farm, on Todd's farm. Oh, just kidding. This is the only thing come out of a can in this whole dinner. Homemade cranberry sauce.
Wow.
That I found one place in Islamabad that had cranberries. Not cranberry sauce, but I had to make my own homemade out of cranberries.
In Kosar.
Yep,
Yeah.
that's where we found it. But they didn't have cranberry sauce, they just had the cranberries.
Yeah.
So I've made it as good as I could. Gravy made from the turkey drippings and some cornstarch and a little bit of butter and oil, milk.
Things are coming in pieces.
Gravy is for the mashed potatoes.
कटा में भी बन जाता है.
Fresh green beans at Justin's request.
Only for Justin. No one else. Nobody else.
This is special dish.
And the star of the show, which I don't know how good it is because I've never cooked in a gas oven. I know that the internal meat thermometer said it was cooked full, but as far as the taste and if the meat is tender or dry, we're gonna find out in a minute. And I think that we will, and then there's also some carrots that we cooked in the pan.
Perfect, Todd. Perfect.
We are going to, can I have a fork there, Justin? We're gonna give Justin the leg and thigh,
Honor.
kind of a Shea family tradition. And we'll see what happens here.
There you go.
So it looks like the breast is cooked.
If the breast is good, I'm sure that the thighs
Oh yeah.
will be good too, because that's the most hardest part of the.
I don't know, because you don't know what the oven, in fact, that oven there, I don't know if the heat distribution was even or not.
Even if they're dirty.
They're not. A spoonful of temperature is supposed to be 170 degrees, and it was like almost 180 in several places that I checked the meat thermometer, so should be good. How does it taste?
I didn't. Well, I tasted this. This is very nice.
plate.
Is this
Stuffing. He wants more stuffing.
Todd की
Huh?
plate का बना भाई.
Can I get a fork? And do you need ice? Does anybody need ice?
पहले ये खत्म
I
करो.
need a
आपने
glass
ये
of
खत्म
ice.
कर दिया फिर और दूंगी, ठीक है? मैश पोटैटो दे दूं, मैश पोटैटो.
So this was Justin's holiday meal. We have plenty of leftovers, so he can have his holiday meal for the next few days. And if we're all still alive tomorrow, then we know the turkey, wasn't too bad.
No, actually, it's nice. Very well cooked. Very nice.
Dad,
It was a local turkey, a little chewier, a little gamier than what I'm used to, but it was still good. Yeah, still good.